All right, I just received this today, so we're going to try it out. It's a non-contact infrared body thermometer by Joyhicare. And let's just take a look at it. It's got some little pictures on the side. And you just got to open her up and see what is inside. Cha-ching! There it is. And it comes with a couple batteries. So you've got to open it up. Get it out of this thing, whatever that is. Throw that to the side. All right, so I'm imagining that we push this and it opens that up for the batteries. Look at that. Yeah. So there's this little button here you got to push. All right, so let's get the batteries out. Let's smush them to the side. Oh, it's nice that it comes with batteries. You don't have to buy them. Batteries are expensive. The tough part is just getting them out of this plastic. All right, got it. Now it's stuck to my finger. All right, so let's take a look how they go in. So usually your negative side goes with your spring, and I do believe that's correct. So you want to put in negative side with the spring, and bam, there we are. We're done. Right now, we just got to shove her back in there. Just remember the way when you pulled it out, which way it was, okay? All right, it's in, ready to go. Now what we've got to do is try it on our head. And, oh, let's pull this off. I think is there an on button on it? Oh, right here, what is this? Set mode. So it's got 98.6 body. I don't know what that is. That says memo, and this is mode. So I guess it's body. So I'm just going to point it at my head and shoot it right in my head. Here we go. Okay, there we go. I'm 98. So I'm a little colder than an average person. But yeah, it works for sure. You got to get it close to your head. So maybe I'll show you that. Okay, here she is. I'm going to get her right up here. You ready? I guess I could even touch my head, but it's supposed to be non-contact. There we are. Now I'm at 97.9. I must be cold. All right, that's it. There she is. That's how you use it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.